Did you know that most companies are still running their business while looking in the rearview mirror? Right now, your business is generating thousands of events every second: transactions, support tickets, product clicks. But your analytics, they're likely based on an export from last night. In 2026, that gap is where revenue goes to die. Today, we're breaking down the leading streaming data platforms and how they're finally closing that gap. Because in the age of AI, waiting until tomorrow is no longer an option. To understand the tech, think about your laundry. Batch processing is like doing laundry once a week. You collect everything, run the cycle, and you're done. It's efficient for big volumes, but terrible if you need a clean shirt now. Streaming, on the other hand, is like a continuous dry cleaner. Each item is handled the moment it arrives. It's the difference between knowing your sales dropped 3 hours ago and knowing they are dropping right now, while you can still fix it. So, which platform should you choose? Here's the quick math. First, Apache Kafka. It's the gold standard. But a word of warning, it's like a Formula One engine. Insanely powerful, but you need a full pit crew of engineers to keep it from crashing. If you want Kafka's power without the headache, there's Confluent. It's managed and robust, but the costs can scale fast. Are you all in on the cloud? AWS Kinesis or Google Dataflow are your best bets. They integrate perfectly into their own ecosystems, though they do keep you locked in to their platform. And for those craving pure speed and simplicity, Redpanda is winning fans for being lightweight and fully Kafka compatible. But here's the truth that infrastructure vendors won't tell you. Platforms are just pipes. Kafka delivers the water, but it doesn't tell you if it's safe to drink or how to use it. This is where Scoop Analytics changes the game. While other tools stop at moving the data, Scoop sits on top to investigate it. If your revenue dips, Scoop doesn't just show you a red chart. It uses real machine learning to tell you, right in Slack, hey, sales are down because this specific customer segment is hitting a checkout error. It's moving from what happened to why did it happen in seconds without writing a single line of SQL. Bottom line, build your pipes with Kafka or Kinesis, but don't forget the intelligence layer. If you want your team to stop pulling data and start making moves, give them tools that investigate for them. Subscribe for more data deep dives, and tell me in the comments, is your company still living in yesterday? I'll see you in the next video.
Losing hours on data analysis? Scoop investigates for you and provides answers in 45 seconds. Don't know why revenue dropped? Scoop tests multiple hypotheses and finds the root cause in under a minute. Scoop Analytics is your AI data scientist.